this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, fuel efficient, and a good deal. Features also include heated seats, premium sound system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, Uconnect system, rear heated seats. With these ratings, come test drive the 2017 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, navigation system, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, power lift gate, power passenger seat, stability control, traction control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.